Lesson 14. Our new letter for this lesson is called gamma. Catherine, this particular letter does not look alike in its uppercase and lowercase forms.
It looks very different, actually.
So our readers will have to get accustomed to the lowercase form, which looks a little bit like maybe a cursive Y. And then the uppercase form looks like a capital T that someone chopped the left side off of.
Gamma is mostly used to express the sound G, like a hard G, in golf, for example. But sometimes in Greek, you'll see that it has a different sound. So when gamma is before certain letters, including kappa or another gamma, it becomes ng, like ng when they're next to each other. For example, the word angelos, messenger or angel, has two gammas next to each other after the alpha, so angelos. But you notice I didn't say aggelos. I said angelos because two gammas in a row, it makes the sound ng, as opposed to two hard Gs.
So a hard G is like G, like the G in golf. But if you have two gammas together, the first one gets nasalized, and so it's like ang, something like that.
Exactly. And the same thing happens when you put gamma in front of kappa, and when you put it in front of chi, which is another letter that we'll see later.
So for those of you who would like to read the Greek New Testament, you're going to see the word angelos quite often as you read the Bible. In this particular book, we're not going to see this nasalized gamma. We're going to see gamma basically just as a hard G sound.
Right.
Which is what it is most of the time. And so now that we have a letter in Greek that makes a G sound, we can spell out lots of new words. Like, for example, number 1 says goat. Number 2 says leg. Number 3, ghost. Number 4, guess. Number 5, egg. We have multiple goats in number 6, goats. Number 7, logo. Some good practice there for the letter omega. Then we have bed, set, dose, and some repeated ones from past lessons. So again, in this book, we're only going to see gamma making a hard G sound like G. But if you go on to read texts in the future, you'll see it with that other nasalized sound occasionally.